Hi guys, this is Dr. Ram Dagdag, the CEO and founder of Seaway Shop Worldwide Company. So we are receiving a lot of questions on how they can start their dropshipping journey with Seaway Shop Worldwide Company, guys. As you all know, that dropshipping Philippines is owned by Seaway Shop Worldwide Company, wherein our mission is to help Filipinos earn kahit na nasa bahay lang sila. Ito po ay sumikat lalo na noong kasagsagan ng pandemya kung saan mas marami tayong taong natulungan na magkaroon ng income kahit na nasa bahay lang sila, no? So, ano nga bang ibig sabihin ng dropshipping? Dropshipping doesn't need you na magkaroon ka ng mas malaking puhunan. Alright? Kaya nga guys, huwag niyo sa akin sasabihin na hindi ka pwedeng magkaroon ng extra income kasi wala kang puhunan. Because of the technology, you can really have an extra income. Napakadami ng ways for you to earn. Kailangan mo lang talagang sipagan at tiyagaan. Now, here is what we call drop shipping. Drop shipping, you just need to post, magpa-order ka, you create your brand, di ba guys? And then, kami na yung bahalang mag-pack niyan. Kami na yung magdi-deliver. And then, we'll give you your payout. Napakadali, no? Kaya nga, wag niyo sa akin sabihin na, ma'am, wala kasi akong pampuhunan, so hindi ako makapagsimula ng negosyo. No, guys. Z-Way Shop Worldwide Company offers drop shipping. With the drop shipping method, ang kailangan mo lang ay cellphone mo, sipag mo, tiyaga mo. No? Kami na yung magpo-provide na kung anong ipopost mo. At sa bawat benta mo, may income ka. Sa bawat refer mo ng mag-a-avail sa amin ng packages, may income ka. You can really earn from home with 100% e-commerce, passive income, dropshipping system, free marketing kit pa to guys with 100 of products that you can offer with monthly fees. So, without monthly fees guys, hindi ka namin i-charge for monthly fees, membership fees, or whatsoever. Dropshipping Philippines is here to help you to earn from home. So with ZY Shop Worldwide Company guys, kapag ikaw ay naging ZY member, pwede ka nang mag-dropship. Open din kami for dropshipper lang, yung hindi pa nga kayang maglabas ng malaking puhunan. For as low as 250 pesos, pwede ka nang maging dropshipper ni ZY Shop Worldwide Company. At kapag dropshipper ka ni ZY Shop Worldwide Company, pumasok ka dito sa aming kumpanya guys, mag-aaral tayo under ZY Entrep Academy para mas magaling kang magnegosyo. No? Guys, hindi ibig sabihin na pagnenegosyo is kailangan mo ng maraming on-hand items. With the dropshipping system, kami na yung bahala sa inventories mo, kami na yung bahala mag-pack ng pa-order mo. Ang gagawin mo lang is magpa-order ka. Diba? So, pag-aaralan natin kung paano nga ba mas magagaling sa digital marketing at social media marketing with all the social media platform. That will be under ZY Entrep Academy. Webinars, training mo, libre lahat ng yan. No? And at the same time, guys, pasok ka na sa Negosyanteng Pinoy. This is the community of Filipino entrepreneurs na nagtutulungan upang maging matagumpay pagdating sa pagnenegosyo. At apart from that, guys, habang nagpapa-order ka, habang may pa-order ka, 20% ng profit natin napupunta sa ZY Shop Foundation. Nagpa-order ka na, natulungan ka na ni ZY na magkaroon ng income, nakatulong ka pa sa iba, di ba? Through ZY Shop Foundation. And of course, this is the wide varieties of products that ZY Shop Worldwide Company has. Meron tayong ZY Shop Food Drip kung saan nagtitinda tayo ng chocolates, kutkutin. And of course, we have our ZY Shop Fragrance Factory. Nagtitinda tayo ng mga perfumes, linen spray, car diffuser, and all. And of course, we have our very own brand, Sisa. Diba? Meron tayong mga Sisa dress, Sisa camis, Sisa trendies, and all, guys. And of course, meron tayong rebranding company kung saan pwede kang mag-rebrand ng sabon mo, pabango mo, damit mo. Pwede ka nang magsimula talaga ng sarili mo negosyo dito sa ZY Shop Worldwide Company. And of course, meron tayong Sishu Republic, mga top-notch na sapatos from Vietnam. And of course, meron tayong mga branded RTWs that is directly imported from Bangladesh. We also have our Lucky Charms, rebranding of soap, rebranding perfume. Sobrang dami ng varieties of product na pwede mong ibenta under ZY Shop Worldwide Company. Again, the dropshipper membership is only for 250 pesos. Pwedeng-pwede ka nang mag-dropship. Kahit wala kang on-hand item, pwedeng-pwede kang kumita because we have a wide variety of product na pwede mong ibenta. And of course, guys, we have as we expand our business, we have persons in charge on every department. Meron kaming CY Fragrance, Sisa Clothing, Rebranding Company, ZY Shoe, Imported Chocolates, Kutkutins, Finance and Commission, Shipment, Tracking, Customer Care Department, Negosyo Caravan Schedule, lahat ng yan, meron akong person in charge. No? Chief Operating Officer per department, kung saan sila mismo ang mag-guide sa inyo. Alright? So, ayan guys, nakasistema kasi ang bawat produkto natin sa ZY Shop Worldwide Company. And of course, you can access everything at Linktree Dropshipping Philippines kung saan kinompress ko na lahat ng links and things na kailangan mo. So, nandito yung master price list. Okay guys? So, ayan, i-access natin siya. Ito po, no? Ayan, guys. Ito po yung Dropshipping Philippines Linktree natin kung saan nandito na po yung ZY business presentation na pwede nyo panoorin at pwede nyo rin pong ipanood sa mga clients ninyo or prospect. And of course, nandito din ang ating master price list kung saan dito mo makikita kung magkano nga ba ang posible mong tubuin sa bawat benta mo. Dito guys, just an FYI, kapag per piece ang computation ng item, plus shipping fee tayo. Meron din tayong mga packages naman na pwede nating i-free shipping. Etong mga packages natin, nandito lahat. Sa una, i-free shipping. At sa non-bundle item is computed per piece plus shipping fee. So, ayan guys, hindi pala nakita yung previous, no? So, as I was saying a while ago, ito po yung ating Dropshipping Philippines Linktree. Sa Dropshipping Philippines Linktree, guys, nilagay ko na po ang business presentation na pwede nyong panoorin at pwede nyo ring ipanood sa lahat ng mga mag-a-avail, gustong mag-avail, nag-i-inquire sa inyo. Nandito na lahat ng paliwanag, hindi nyo na kailangang magpaliwanag ng marami sa mga customers ninyo once na panood nila ang ating company business presentation. Ang maganda nga po rito, nandito na rin ang ating C-Shop Master Price List. Under C-Shop Master Price List, guys, nandito po yung mga packages, negosyo offers natin na free shipping nationwide. And of course, nandito din ang ating mga non-bundle items that is computed per piece na plus shipping fee via JNT. JNT is our partner courier and also DHL for international shipping. And of course, guys, nilagay ko na rin dito sa Dropshipping Philippines natin yung Linktree kung saan nandito lahat ng order forms natin. Kapag payment first yan, kapag COD yan, nandito rin po. Kung Dropshipping Philippines Form 2023, nandito rin yan. If you want to rebrand a soap, rebrand your fragrance, Sisa official form, Sisa COD form, Sisa reservation form, rebranding company, ZY layaway term, official yan guys. Open po tayo for layaway. And of course, silver upgrade and gold upgrade. And of course guys, nilagay ko na rin po dito yung mga links ng mga messenger group na kailangan mong joinan. Unang-una na dyan yung C-Shop Dropshipper 2023 group chat kung saan pwede kang mag-inquire. Nandito po yung mga distributors natin, ang ating mga international coaches and business coaches na mag-guide sa inyo. And of course, meron din po tayong No Chat Marketing GC kung saan bawal mag-chat. Yan po ay GC kung saan pinopost natin yung mga marketing banners and posters na pwede ninyong i-post sa mga buy and sell group. And of course, meron din tayong group chat for products. Dito naman, products lang po. Again, bawal pong mag-inquire. Kung tatanungin nyo, nasan yung price list? Again, balik kayo sa link tree nyo. Nandito po yung master price list natin. Hanapin mo kung ano yung produkto na na-post doon sa GC ng product natin, guys. And then, balik ka sa master price list. Kailangan, alam mo, i-navigate. Kailangan mo i-maximize itong Dropshipping Philippines link na ito, guys. Nandito ang lahat ng kailangan ninyo. No? Ayan po. And at the same time, guys, you need to have best social media platform for your brand awareness. Now that you are starting your journey with Seaway Shop as a dropshipper, it is the best time for you as well to create your own brand or own name sa online selling. Sa panahon ngayon, guys, hindi mo kailangan ng malaking pampuhunan para kumita ka ng extra. Lalo na may financial crisis, it is the best time for you to start an extra income or a side hustle. This side hustle na pwede mong gamitin kahit nasan ka or pwede mong gawin kahit nasaan ka using your phone. Diba? So what you need to do is to create accounts on all social media platform and advertise your product or advertise our products, no? You need to have Instagram, YouTube, Pinterest, Viber, WhatsApp, TikTok, and Telegram. And of course, guys, how you can advertise your product, all you have to do is to join all the, kung sa Facebook mo target, kumuha ng mga customers, kailangan mag-join ka sa lahat ng buy and sell group. Mag-post ka ng mga marketing posts from our marketing GC sa lahat ng buy and sell group. And then turn marketing posts into FB Reels. No, yung mga marketing posts natin, gawin mong FB Reels yan. Lagyan mo ng music, no? And of course, you need to create your TikTok account, create a TikTok shop, and affiliate all the products that Seaway Shop has to your shop. Advertise your shop links to FB and Instagram in order for you to gain customers. So how you can earn, you just need to follow the step. You need to be an active member to attend webinars as to grow your knowledge. You need to create key activities that must be accomplished daily. You post, you share, you monetize. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin, guys, mag-post sa lahat ng buy and sell group from our marketing GC. Nandun na yung marketing GC, i-copy-paste mo na lang yan, isi-save mo na lang yung photo, ipopost mo sa buy and sell group, makaka-attract ka na ng buyer, no? And of course, you need to post FB Reels and share it. Attract buyer and close a deal. So how you can close a deal? Share the company business presentation to your client. Share to them the advantage of benefits of a CY member. Share to them the packages. Again, we are open for layaway. Hindi kailangan ng malaking pampuhunan dito sa ZY Shop Worldwide Company. Ang kailangan mo lang dito, sipag at syaga at magsimula ka na agad. No? So, ganun kadali, guys, ang mag-dropship with ZY Shop Worldwide Company. Nilagay ko na lahat sa isang link. Ang kailangan mo. And of course, guys, si Seaway Shop is highly recommended by celebrities. No, lahat ng produkto natin, highly recommended yan ng mga celebrities. So, overall, that is Dropshipping Philippines. So, for as low as 250 pesos, pwede ka nang magpa-member with Seaway Shop and you can earn from home. You can also avail our packages para maging silver member ka ni ZY Shop Worldwide Company. So, that's it, Pansit. Maraming salamat for joining me today, guys. May you have a good day and God bless us all. Thank you!